Today, we're going to talk about something pretty cool, how the food you eat literally builds your hair, skin, and nails. It's all about fueling your body to get stronger from the inside out. So let's just dive right in.
I mean, have you ever really stopped to think about it? What is your hair, your nails, your skin actually made of? It's not some kind of magic potion, right? Nope, it's pure biology. And it all boils down to one amazing superstar protein.
All right, let's meet the star of the show. This is the protein that, and I mean this literally, builds the you that you see in the mirror.
And that protein is keratin. Now I want you to think of it like this. It's the rebar in concrete for your body. It's the stuff that makes your hair, skin, and nails strong and resilient. So kind of makes sense, right? If you want to make those things stronger, you've got to give your body the raw materials to make more keratin.
But here's the thing, your body can't just snap its fingers and make keratin appear. No way! It needs a whole construction crew, a team of different nutrients all working together. So let's meet the key players on this crew.
Okay, so every good construction site needs raw materials, right? For keratin, that's protein. The protein you eat gets broken down into these things called amino acids, and those are the actual literal bricks your body uses to build new keratin.
And what's really fascinating here is just how specific your body is. I mean, your hair is pretty much all keratin, so it's constantly asking for more of these amino acid bricks. There's one in particular, L-cysteine, that's a huge part of the keratin molecule itself. And guess where you get it? From foods you probably already eat, like onions, garlic, and soybeans.
So, if amino acids are the bricks, then what are the vitamins? Well, think of them as the foreman on the construction site. They're the ones shouting the orders, directing the work, and making sure the whole process goes off without a hitch.
And check this out. Different vitamins have totally different jobs. You've got vitamin A, which is all about kickstarting that keratin production and telling your skin glands to make sebum. That's your scalp's natural moisturizer. Then you have vitamin C over here, which is the master of collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin strong and elastic. See? Both are absolutely essential, but they do different things.
Speaking of essential, let's talk about a big one. 33%. That's how much of your daily biotin you can get from just one cooked egg. Biotin, which is also called vitamin B7, is crucial. It helps your body actually use those amino acid bricks we talked about, making it a total game changer for building keratin.
Okay, so we have our bricks and our foreman, but we're not done. We need the minerals. These are the support team. You know, the electricians, the plumbers, the logistics guys, the ones who make sure the whole project runs smoothly and doesn't fall apart.
And just like the vitamins, they each have their own job to do. Zinc, it's all about hair growth and repair. Iron, super important. If you're low on it, you might even see your hair start to thin out. And copper helps make sure that collagen we mentioned gets strong, which is what keeps your skin looking firm.
All right, we've met the whole construction crew. The bricks, the foreman, the support staff. So now for the big question. Where do they get their energy? It's time to stock the pantry and look at the actual foods that fuel this incredible keratin factory in your body.
First on our list, the humble egg. Seriously, when it comes to supporting keratin production, eggs are an absolute superstar.
And here's the breakdown of why they're so great. You get about 6 grams of protein. Those are our bricks. You get that huge 33% hit of biotin we talked about. And on top of that, you get selenium to protect your hair follicles and a bunch of other B vitamins that help get oxygen and nutrients right to your scalp. It's like the perfect little package.
Okay, moving on from eggs, let's talk about a vegetable that's just as much of a powerhouse, the sweet potato.
That bright orange color, that's a huge clue. It tells you they are jam-packed with beta-carotene. Your body takes that beta-carotene and turns it into vitamin A. And get this, just one medium sweet potato can give you more than 100% of the vitamin A you need for the day. That's one of our star foremen right there.
And for our last powerhouse food, let's talk about salmon. This one brings a real triple threat of benefits for your hair.
Okay, so a small 3-ounce serving gives you almost 17 grams of protein. That's a lot of building blocks. It's also got a good amount of biotin. But the real secret weapon with salmon, it's the omega-3 fatty acids. These things are amazing for nourishing your scalp and have even been shown to help with hair density. So I know what you might be thinking. Great, I'll just eat tons of eggs, sweet potatoes, and salmon. But hold on a second. When it comes to nutrition, more isn't always better. The real key here is balance.
So let me ask you this. Can you actually have too much of a good thing, especially with vitamins and supplements? And the answer is absolutely yes.
This is a really big deal when it comes to vitamin A. The science is super clear on this. Not getting enough can cause problems, for sure. But getting way too much, especially from supplements, can actually mess with your hair's growth cycle and lead to the exact thing you're trying to avoid: hair loss. This table really nails it. There's this sweet spot for nutrition. Too little vitamin A, you get dry hair, maybe some hair loss. But guess what? Too much vitamin A can also cause hair loss. The goal is to be right in the middle, in that adequacy zone. And the best way to do that is with a good diet, not by chugging a bunch of supplements. Okay, so we've established that your diet is the foundation. It's huge, but it's not the whole story. To really get the full picture, you have to look at things a little more holistically. Yeah, getting your best hair, skin, and nails means looking at more than just what's on your plate. You need to stay hydrated. Your scalp needs water. You got to manage stress because that can really take a toll on your hair. Exercise is huge for getting blood flowing and actually delivering all those amazing nutrients we've been discussing. And of course, you don't want to undo all that good work by using harsh products that cause damage. It's all connected, you know?
So what's the big takeaway here? It's that you are in the driver's seat. Your diet is the main toolkit your body has to work with to build a stronger you. Stronger hair, stronger nails, healthier skin. That old saying, you are what you eat, it's pretty much true.
So think about it. The factory is open for business. The construction crew is standing by, ready to go. The only question is, what are you going to give them to build with?